Welcome to the MyOTC Drop or Withdrawal tutorial. To begin, use your internet browser to navigate to my.otc.edu. Click the Login button, enter your OTC username and password, and click the Sign In button to log into MyOTC. Select the three horizontal white bars on the top of the vertical dark gray bar to the left of the page to expand the navigation menu. Select the down-facing arrow to the right of Academics and again to the right of Student Planning to expand the navigation menu. Select View Plan and Register. Find the course card in the left-hand pane for the course you wish to drop or withdraw from. Click the Drop button. You will need to provide a reason for dropping a course. Select an option from the drop-down menu for each individual course you wish to drop. Then, to confirm that you wish to drop that course, select Update. Before you drop any of your registered courses, please be aware of the withdrawal and drop fees that are applied and the refund dates for your semester. It is recommended that you reach out to your academic advisor to discuss how this affects your education plan and a financial aid advisor to discuss how it may impact your current and future funding. You can use the X on the upper right-hand corner of the course card to remove a dropped course from the schedule. You may not be able to drop all the courses for a semester through MyOTC. If you want to withdraw completely from all courses, please email a request to studentservices@otc.edu from your OTC email. Thank you for watching the MyOTC Drop or Withdrawal tutorial.